Okay, with question 3, okay, with partial fractions here we're going to have 3 fractions again, because here we've got a repeated factor, alright, so x plus 1, and then, because there's a repeated factor, then you put x plus 1 squared there, and then x plus 3 here, yeah, so b then and c there, okay, so remember then we take this over and multiply that side, yes, we'll have 2 plus 17x plus 9x squared, and then you're going to have this, and it's going to multiply the whole of this side here, okay, so our a, b and c, so a over x plus 1 plus b over x plus 1 all squared plus c over x plus 3, okay, so this multiplies through 2 plus 17x plus 9x squared equals to, well, we start off with them with a over x plus 1 times x plus 1 all squared x plus 3 plus then the b over x plus 1 all squared times x plus 1 all squared x plus 3 plus then c over x plus 3 times then x plus 1 all squared x plus 3. Okay, so times everything in there by this factors outside. So the x plus 1 cancels with a square there, the x plus 1 squares all go there, and the x plus 3 goes there. So we end up with 2 plus 17x plus 9x squared equals to a x plus 1 x plus 3 plus b x plus 3 plus c x plus 1 all squared. Okay, so then we need to work out ABC, right? So if you think about it, because we've got positive 1 here, we'll set x to be the opposite, so set x to be negative 1, and then here we'll have, substituting it in, if we put negative 1 in there, that will be 0, so that will go. This will stay, so this will be b minus 1 plus 3, and that will go as well, that will disappear. So working this out here, okay, you've got 2, take away 17, plus 9 is minus 6, and then here that will be 2b, and you get b will be minus 3, okay. So let's set then x to equal, well, the other one we can set x to equal to be negative 3, won't it? Because it'll go there. So we'll have 2 plus 17 times negative 3 plus 9 times negative 3 all squared. So it'll disappear there, it'll be 0. That one it will stay, so we get negative 3 there plus 1 all squared. So on my calculator, I got 32. And then that will be 4. Because I square that, yeah, that's minus 2 there, squared will be 4. So that means then c will be 8. Okay, so I've got b and c, I need to work out a. So there's no other values I can set here to eliminate. So let's set x to be 0. Okay, because that will make it easy, won't it? If x is 0, that'll be 2 plus 0, so that's 2. In here then you have a. Well, 0 makes that to be 1 and makes that to be 3. B is negative 3, and that's going to be 0 plus 3 is 3. And C then is 8, and that's just going to be 0 plus 1, which is 1 all squared, which is just 1. So 2 equals 3a. Take away 9 plus 8. Okay, so you end up having 3 is 3a, which means then a is equal to 1. All right. So to conclude, right, our final answer then, you simply substitute in those values of a, b, and c, yeah, into the partial fractions that we have above, and we're done. So a is 1. B is 3, or negative 3, and C is 8.